If you do not replace the thermal paste on your GPU, graphics processing unit, when it becomes necessary, several issues can arise over time. Increased temperatures. Over time, the thermal paste can dry out or degrade, which reduces its ability to efficiently transfer heat from the GPU to the heatsink. This can result in higher operating temperatures for your GPU, which can lead to reduced performance and potentially cause overheating. Reduced performance. As temperatures rise due to inefficient heat transfer, the GPU may begin to throttle its performance to prevent overheating. This means your graphics card will not operate at its full potential, resulting in lower frame rates and less efficient gaming or rendering performance. Shortened GPU lifespan. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures can reduce the lifespan of your GPU. Overheating can lead to the degradation of internal components, potentially causing permanent damage or reducing the longevity of your graphics card. Increased noise. When a